Transfer downloaded movies from computer to iPad.
Hello there. Have you ever wanted to watch your favorite downloaded movies on your iPad, but weren't sure how to get them on there? Don't worry. Today, we're going to go through the steps to transfer downloaded movies from your computer to your iPad for offline viewing.
What do you need?
To start, you need a few things. 1. Your iPad, where you want the movie files transferred. 2. A computer with the movie files downloaded. 3. A USB cable to connect your iPad to your computer. 4. The latest version of iTunes installed on your computer.
How to add files to iTunes.
Once you have all the necessary equipment, it's time to add your movie files to iTunes. Here's how. 1. Launch iTunes on your computer. 2. Go to the File menu, then add File to Library if you're on Windows, or Add to Library if you're on Mac. 3. Locate and select your downloaded movie files, then click Open to add them to your iTunes library.
How to sync the movie files to your iPad.
Now that the movie files are in your iTunes library, let's get them onto your iPad. 1. Connect your iPad to your computer using your USB cable. 2. In iTunes, click on the iPad icon near the top left corner, just below the menu bar. 3. Click Movies under the Settings section in the left sidebar. 4. Check the box Sync Movies. 5. Choose the movies you want to sync from the list. 6. Click Apply at the bottom right to start syncing.
How to access transferred movies on your iPad.
Finally, let's see where these movies show up on your iPad. 1. Go to the TV app on your iPad. 2. At the bottom, tap on the Library tab. 3. Here you will find all the movies you've just synced from iTunes on your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer your downloaded movies from your computer to your iPad for offline viewing. Enjoy your favorite movies anytime, anywhere, even without an internet connection. Thank you for watching, and happy viewing.